Hello to all ethical hacking students. We have three type of PDFs. All the PDF include only the basic command of the Linux. On the number one, we start from the first one and then second and then third one. So start from the first one. These are the basic command of the Linux. So before start the basic command, we need to learn about two basic things, and that is you can see that when you click on the terminal it's launched, but this is not the root permission terminal. You can check with the help of this command like who am I. Type who am I without space and press enter. So it show you your username. If it show you the username of your system, then it means that you are not in the root mode. And if you type here sudo su and press enter, now type your password and again type who am I, then it tell you that you are in the root mode. And when you entered in the root mode, your terminal text would be converted in the text color will be changed and converted into the red color. Now you can check that you are in the root mode. Again type who am I, root mode. Now if you want to exit from here, there's a two method. Just type here exit and you can exit. Again enter the root mode, and the shortcut is that press Ctrl plus D button together and you can exit from here. So this is the first thing. Now let's learn the second thing, which is important to before learning the basic command. So if you want to exit from a program, or if you want to cancel a running program just like that, we have example top. When you execute this command, it show you the task manager of your Linux terminal, Linux complete operating system, same like the Windows task manager. If you want to cancel this program, then you have three type of shortcuts. First of all, Control C, it means that you cancel this program or terminate this program. Now again run it. Secondly, you have Control plus D. With the help of Control plus D, you cannot cancel the program. With the help of Control plus D, you can exit from the complete session. Like if I press Control plus D, you can see that anything will be actioned here. Now press Control plus Z again, and program will be terminated. Now enter the root mode immediately. And how to enter in the root mode, I again tell you that. Let me show you again. Just type here sudo space su and then type your password if it required, and then you are in the root mode. Now again type here top in the root mode, and these are the tasks which are currently running in your operating system, Linux operating system. So I want to cancel this task, or I want to stop this process, then I need to press Ctrl plus C. And if I press Ctrl plus D, then nothing will be happen. So if I press Ctrl plus Z, it means that it forcefully exit from this session. So we have three shortcuts. First of all, Ctrl plus C. Secondly, Ctrl plus D. And thirdly, Ctrl plus Z. So Control plus Z mean stop the process or cancel the program which is currently running. Control plus D means exit from the session or exit from the mode. And Control plus Z means that forcefully close the program. Sometime Control plus C command is not working and Control plus D is also not working. Then you can use the Control plus Z command. It is work forcefully and exit from the session and stop the currently running process. So these are the basics before learning the basic command of the Linux. Now one more thing is left that I want to show you that if you want to copy the material from the terminal, normally how you copy, simply you open the browser here. Like I open the browser and I want to copy this link or anything. So I simply select and Control plus C, press these two buttons together and it is copied. Now I cancel it. Now if I want to paste here, so I have two options for copy and paste. I can copy and paste from this options, and shortcut is that Control plus V for paste. Okay, but if I want to do this process in the terminal, then this is not working with the control plus C and V. If you want to run these command in the terminal, then the alternative is that select the text, double click or manually select it. Okay, now you have two methods, back click and copy selection, same paste clipboard or paste selection. Okay, but the shortcut is that select the text and press these three buttons together. In the place of control plus C, you need to press control plus C plus shift button. You need to press these three buttons together in the place of two buttons. So I copy from the control shift C, and now I want to paste here. So press control shift V and it is pasted here. So our basics before basics are cleared. Now we can start the basics of Linux, but in the next lecture. So see you in the next lecture.